I'm very excited to showcase this new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. I wish you guys could see this in person. A lot of people notice that in person it looks different than in videos, but I'm gonna try to go over it as briefly and swiftly as possible. I'm excited to showcase this car to you guys because it's absolutely insane. The power it produces, how it looks, and all coming from a hybrid V8 twin turbo 4-liter. I mean, it doesn't get any better for the supercar community and all the exotic cars that we have. Get a 0 to 60 in about 2.6 seconds, top speed of 210 miles per hour. And like I said, this is a V8, so this is technically supposed to be after Huracán, the newest car that's going to overtake that spot. But instead of the V10, we have a V8, so that is incredible. This car produces 900 horsepower. Take a look at the inside. Carbon fiber door. You have the Temerario badge right there. Similar to the Revuelto, you open the door with the click of a button. You have your unlock and lock, and then you can press down the window with this button right here by pulling it and pushing it down. This car reminds me of a mini Revuelto, simply because of the features it has. Very similar to a Revuelto, including the reverse, the ignition, the gas. You have to pick up that button right there for the gas, and the emergency lights. I mean, this car is sick, man. This car is something else. Alongside with its all beauty that it comes with, I mean, it produces so much power. It's so fast. I can honestly compare it to a Ferrari 296, a McLaren 750. I'm pretty sure this is faster than a 720, no doubt. I mean, it produces 900 horsepower. It's all-wheel drive, and it's not that much of a big car. It's not that heavy. It's pretty light. Check out the wheels and the calipers. I'm so excited to showcase this car to you guys. I'm also going to put an exhaust clip so you guys can hear it. Temerario badge along with a side skirt that's carbon fiber. Our front lip is also carbon fiber. This car is really putting it on the map of a hybrid V8. I know we have a M5 that's a hybrid V8, but this car is just insane. Let's check out the rear end. We have a carbon fiber spoiler as well. Got the exhaust. I'm very excited to show this car to you guys a little bit more. The rear wheels, tires are exposed. I'll most likely be filming some more content with this car, just to go further in depth. But man, this car it's crazy. Let me know what you guys think down below. It does have this stripe that also goes on the mirror cap, and it goes all on the edge of the vehicle. That same stripe that follows the top of the vehicle, the edge of the mirror cap, also follows the bottom of the side skirt and the front lip, tying it all together with the gray caliper that it comes with. It also has carbon fiber on the wheel caps. Let's check out the interior, guys. We have our red line stripe, racing stripe, along with carbon fiber accents on the top and the bottom. We switch our mode right here if we want to go to Strata. Since this is a hybrid, Strata mode is quiet, and Sita as well is using the electric power of the batteries that it contains. Once we go to Sport, the engine starts running. You have your start and stop button right here. Park and reverse. I find cool feature about this car is the passenger can see also the gears that you're on. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this your favorite supercar yet? It's definitely one of mine. And thank you guys for watching.